Melissa Rosenblum. I'm the Director of Sales for Signature Photography. But one thing that we love here at Signature Photography is that we give you unlimited photos. So what does that mean? Sometimes your seller might want 25 photos, 30 photos, 35 photos. Sometimes they ask for a 1-1 or a 2-2. What's great about using Signature Photography is that you have unlimited photos. Also, one of the best and most important things about using Signature Photography is that you, the agent, owns your own photos. You will not get sued by our staff, by anyone, because you own these photos outright. You can use them for all of your marketing materials on postcards, flyers, social media, Instagram, Facebook. You, your signature agent, you own all of these photos. We have 27 photographers. We shoot the entire state where Signature has offices. We offer many different packages when using Signature for photography. We offer unlimited photos. You can do aerials for an add-on for $50. You can do a Zillow walkthrough tour for $50. We also have extra editing if you want to take your listing to the next level. That's another $50. So everything is a la carte. You can do all or none. It's your choice. You can do whatever you would like to upgrade your listing photography.